I'm writing just like this. What is the meaning of that you see? 6a comma type of a comma type of a. What is the meaning of it? What is the shape? 6 elements of which type? 7. Value 7. What is the syntax you see? What is the value? Fill underscore value of what shape? 6. 6 is my value. 7 is my value. I want to fill with how many values? 6. What is 6? 6 elements. Which element? 7. How many elements here totally? 6. Can I go for organizing these elements in the matrix? A dot n dim. What is the dim? 1. Now can I convert into 2 dimension? How? 6 elements can be organized into what? 3 comma 2 or 2 comma 3. Come on. A dot shape is equal to 3 comma 2 or 3 comma 2, whatever it is. Print A. Is it converted into 3 comma 2 or not? Yes. Now I want to design directly one matrix. 4 by 4 matrix I want to create with the value called 8. With the value called 8. Tell me. A is equal to np dot array of, in the tuple 4 comma 4. It is called a shape, my dear students, comma, what ma? What is the fill value? 8. 8 I will say. D type I did not write. 4 comma 4 comma 8 I say. So see that. What is this? Okay, sorry ma. Full of. Yeah. What is the function? Full of. Yeah, full of. What is coming? It is accepted. Say print A. What is that is coming? What is the shape here? 4 comma 4. What is the value filling? 8. 4 rows and then 4 columns. Easy? Yes. Now I want to go for same thing. I will write it here. Same thing I am writing here. I will say here something like 3 comma 4 with the value called 9. With the value called 9. I am getting 3 rows and then 4 columns with the value called what? 9. Did you understand this point? Yes. Easy or difficult? Easy. So this is called what? Function? Full function. One more I want to create. 2 matrices with 3 comma 4 with the value called 6. 3 dimension. A dot ndim. A dot ndim. What is the dimension here? 2 dimension. Next, I want to go for 2 matrices with 4 rows and 4 columns with a value called what I want to fill? 6. Value called 6 and print directly. What is happening? 2 matrices with the values called what? 6 with 4 by 4. Are you able to understand? What is this dimension called? A dot ndim. And A dot shape also you can say 2 comma 4 comma 4. Is it clear? What is this matrix? What is this matrix? What is this matrix? And 3-dimensional matrix or not? Right. So what is the full function is going to do? Full function can build any of the function on your choice. Any of the function on your choice. Last and final. A is equal to np dot what? Full. Np dot full. I am writing fill underscore value is equal to something like 5. Comma shape is equal to something like, shape is equal to what? 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4. Comma. D type is equal to float. I am writing float. What this is called? Keyword arguments. So print that 5.5.5 it is printing. Are you following me? If I write the same mechanism, remove this D type, by default it is taking into data what you are saying. 555 is coming. Are you able to follow? So this is comes under what function? Full function we can call. Understand, students? Yes. Now this is called what? Full function explanation. So this is the syntax of it. And remember this because syntaxes are very important and you need to remember. This is all something like what? Function call. Internally functions are there in the NumPy module or not? Now, next function I am going to discuss. Another function I am going to discuss. What is the next function? Forget already. Identity function is there. Let me go to that place, and here NumPy is there. Once you understand it, I am going to say number of approaches to create an object of it. Observe it. Here I am going to say full function. These are all our description example, whatever is written. I am having this example here. Zeros over. Now I am taking function name once over. Now coming to what? Full. See this? This function is used for building a matrix by specifying what value? Fill value. Either 1D, 2D or ND. Syntax, variable name is equal to numpy dot full of shape comma fill underscore value D type. Variable name is an object of ND array, and here shape can be either a 1D. What is this 1D? What is this 1D says? Number of rows, number of fill values. 2D means what is existing? Rows and columns. ND says what? Number of matrices, comma, number of what? Rows. Number of matrices, comma, number of rows, comma, number of columns. Fill value can be any number. Fill value can be any number of which choice? Programmer choice. Understand, students? Well, and you see the number of values. 3 values of what? 1. 3 comma 9. 9 values of what? 3 number. 8, 6, 3 comma 2. Like this I am having. So 3 comma 3 comma 3, 7. 3 matrices. Each one is 3 by 3 matrix. Now I am going for what? Identity matrix. I will go for it. Shall I continue now? Identity matrix I will go. Let's move to the identity matrix. See, students, you can do the same thing in PyCharm also. Normal things also you can do. Shall I go for PyCharm once? Go to PyCharm. I did not show you in the PyCharm so. Let's go to PyCharm once. Let's go to the PyCharm. So you know how to install the NumPy module? Come on. Yes. Here I will close this now. Close this project. Here I am going to say new project. So I am going to say 6 p.m. NumPy. Say this now. Project is created. Understand, students? Virtual environment is creating. There I will say as it is ready now. I'll create a file, something like test.py. There I will say import NumPy as what? NP. It is going to be error, right or not? So how do you overcome that? Go to this place, you make it ready. Go to this place, settings, and your project is ready. Correct? What is my project name? 6 p.m. project. This is a project we are having here. Already this. See, in this place, I will go for what? Python interpreter. So no more modules are available here. Either pip or what? Plus. Click on plus. Search for what? NumPy. NumPy is ready or not? Next, you can go for what? Pandas also you can go for it. Pandas is also ready or not? Next, SciPy scikit also. SciPy is also ready. Next is called what? Scikit. Scikit also ready. So scikit. Now scikit. So say once scikit. So there are a lot of scikit implementations are there. There are a lot of scikit implementations are there. This will come across in AI modules. Scikit, so many scikit modules are available. Scikit, ScatPy, so many things are there. This is scikit related information. Okay. Next, I will go for what you know. Next, Seaborn is also available. Seaborn also a lot of things are available. Next, NLTP also available. NLP related things. This is also one module. I already said in the beginning day, we are having Python up to only these two modules, I say. Because if I enter into that, we are almost going to where data science related algorithms. So NumPy. So I'm taking, I will install it. You know how to install this. So go for what? Install. Go to this install and you'll be getting, see that, or something like, 16 comma, something value called 9. Print of what, students? A. You print A. You try to run the students. You'll get the same thing. And other elements are zeros. Principal diagonal elements. And first of all, identity matrix is one of the square matrix. Square matrix. Square matrix means what? Rows and columns must be same. Rows and columns must be same. It is also denoted by some people as what? M into N. M into N. M is the rows and N is the columns. Here M and N must be same. That is called which matrix? If M and N are different, that is a rectangular matrix. It is our school days principle, school days matrices. So in the case of identity matrix, this is also known some people as what? Unit matrix we can call. Unit means what? In the principal diagonal, you have only one is there. So if I want to design 3 by 3 matrix, you will say principal diagonal element is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 0, 1. What this is containing now? Is called what? 1. So principal diagonal, how do you decide whether it is a unit matrix or not? The product of principal diagonal elements are becoming 1. It is known as what? Unit matrix. Product of principal diagonal elements are 1. It is called unit matrix. So coming to the point back. What is the principal diagonal elements? 1, 1, 1, 1. 1 into 1 into 1. What is this is going to be called? It is a matrix A, students. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. 1, 2. A of 0, 0. A of 0, 0. Into what? A of 1, 1. A of what here? 2, 2. This is called what? No, only now. What is this 0, 0 is called? 1 will come. Are you following? So, such a type of matrix you want to create, I will go for what? Identity matrix. Great. A is equal to NP dot identity of what I am writing. Just a 3 I am writing. That's all. 3. What is the 3? That is the value of what? N. N is equal to 3 ante rows and columns same. N into N matrix. You print A. Print A. What is that? 1 point, 0 point, 1 point, 0 point, etc. You observe the principal diagonal, students. What is this is called? 1 point, 1 point. This spot is known as what? This spot. Above principal diagonal elements we can call. And this is known as what? Below principal diagonal elements we can call. Are you able to follow? So, if you want to go for only 1, 1, 0 like that, you can go like this also. Go to this place. Now I am saying that, comma, what I will write? Int I will write it. What is that int? D type or not? So it is going to build what? 1, 1, 1, 1 is built. And this is known as what? Above principal diagonal elements, and this is called below principal diagonal elements. We call it as which matrix? Identity matrix. Unit matrix also we can call. I will say here called what, I am writing here something like 5 I am writing. What is the meaning of 5? 5 rows. Element. I hope this is your understanding. It is known as what matrix? Shall I move forward? Yes. So what is the type of A? Print of A comma. What is this now? Type of A. Type of A. So it is also called as what? ND array. Okay, students. Shall I move forward? Yes. So coming to go to what did you understand about the identity matrix? It is also one important frequently asked question. Identity matrix is one which contains which contains rows and columns are same. It is called a square matrix. Rows and columns are same. It is also known as what? Unit matrix, where principal diagonal elements are, come on, 1, and above principal diagonal, below principal diagonal elements are 0. Okay, right. Our student is saying something. What is that? Reverse matrix. Inverse matrix is called what? Unit matrix, my dear student. So, inverse matrix is called unit matrix. Wrong answer. Inverse matrix is nothing but, I can say, transposing. Multiplication. Very wrong. Come to the point back. A transpose is nothing but inverse of that. And for inverse also there is some procedure is there first of all. Right? So we don't want to go for it. This is totally irrelevant. This is unit matrix I'm talking. Can I go little deep of it? Come on. So why cap wearing in the class? Remove. Very good. Good students. Good. Why unnecessarily? Relax. Fine. Come to the point back. Shall I move forward? No. Shall I talk little deep of it? No. No? No deep? I want to talk. Even if you don't tell also, I will explain this compulsory. Because when I am taking interview on NumPy, compulsory question I will ask this only. Nobody will answer it. I want to tell you. Because when you go to bigger companies, they will ask these questions. Okay? What is that function name is called? I function. Spell out. I. Right. Let us go to the I function here. Syntax I am going to tell you. Look at the syntax. This is not there in my documentation actually. In the notes which is uploaded, that notes is not, I did not have. So let me tell you some new things in the NumPy. Okay now? Syntax. Variable name is equal to NumPy dot I. Because you don't know now. You don't know. If I move forward, tomorrow you will get something in NumPy. So you will be getting, sir did not explain. So come to the point back. Listen, my dear student. Listen. No, I already told you now, because I don't want to say again and again, you will feel. Please don't disturb me. I will continue. So I will say syntax n comma m is equal to none, m is equal to none, k is equal to -1, comma d type. What is n, what is m, what is k, and what is d type? By syntax looking at itself is going to be something tricky. I want to tell you that. So here identity matrix is there. Na? Identity matrix is by default it is prepared like that, right? Now, I don't want to prepare the identity matrix like this. What is my identity matrix? My identity matrix will be same only. What is that? 5 rows. 5 rows are there. 0, 0. Careful students. How many columns? 5 columns. Okay. 5 columns. 5 rows and 5 columns. Carefully listen. So again explain means no. Now see, I want to prepare 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Do you have unit matrix here? Because in gaming, this type of usage is there. This type of usage is there. Do you have unit matrix here in my explanation? No, no. So, meeku oka Mahabharatam katha cheppali ippudu. So, it is there. Definitely at the end of the class, I will tell you that story. After the class. Today, at the end, I will tell you. Now, I won't tell. At 8 o'clock, I will tell you. Where is out of my class, I will speak. Unit matrix is there or not? Yes. First, you said no. But it is there or not there? There. Where I am forming? This is called my principal diagonal. Originally it is principal diagonal or not, but I formed below. So to form my unit matrix wherever I like it, I am using this syntax. Let me use, students, let me use it so that you can understand. With the example you can understand. A dot I of I am saying here, students, I am writing 5 comma 5 comma. I am not writing n value only, I am writing. This is comma actually. Now 5 comma I am writing only 5 I am writing. I am writing just a int. Int I am writing. See that what is happening. Happening 5 comma 5 also I will write it. 5 comma 5 also I will write it. Okay. 5 comma wrote it. What is this happening? 1 minute ma 5 comma 5. So coming to the point back. Now 1 minute, student. Okay. Now 5 comma 5, 5 comma 5. It is printed looking like a earlier one or not? Comma, let me write it. D type is equal to int I am saying. You run it. Is it looking like above one or not? It is also similar to this only now. What is this 5 comma 5? What is this 5? N. What is this M 5? What is the D type? Int. It is preparing which matrix? Which matrix? Unit matrix only. Here M and N values are same or not? Which matrix? Unit matrix. Very good. Careful, students, all of you, online students, careful. Here, principal diagonal is identified as value called K. What is that? K. What is the default value of K? -1. -1 in the matrix pointed by principal diagonal. Principal diagonal. Below the principal diagonal is indicated as -1, -2, -3, -4. Here, myself wrote wrong. This is, I hope, 0, student. 0. I will test it once again. This is indicated as what? 0. And this is known as what? -1, -2, -3, -4. What this is called? 1, 2, 3, 4. Below principal diagonal is known as what? -1, -2, -3, -4. What is this 1, 2, 3, 4 are called? Above principal diagonal. What is the default value of K? 0. 0 point to which diagonal? 0. K is equal to 0. K is a variable which is pointing to which diagonal? Principal diagonal. Next point, follow the same. I am writing here. K is equal to, here I am writing, K is equal to what I am writing? -1 I am writing. Careful. When you write -1, in -1 place, what is preparing? Unit matrix is preparing. Unit matrix is preparing. See that unit matrix? 5 by 5. 5 by 5 means, first of all, you don't see the output. Don't look at the output. 5 by 5 means how many elements? 25. What is the unit matrix condition? What is the identity matrix condition? Square. In this 25, which is the near square matrix? Near square matrix? 20, 16. 1 is called what? 1 minute. What is the near matrix? 16. Next, 9, 4. Above 1 is what? 36. Like that. Right or not? 5 means what? 6. 6 into 6. Below 5 is called what? 4 into 4. Now you look at this. This matrix you look at. This matrix you look at. What is this matrix is called? 4 into 4. In the 4 into 4, what is preparing? Unit matrix. That means you are mentioning what here? -1. -1 means from here onwards, what is prepared? Unit matrix is prepared. Right? Next, I will go for next. Nothing to be hurry here. I am going to take one more. What is I am taking? Nothing to worry. I am taking a simple one. 3, 4 I will take. 3, 4 means what? 3 rows. I'll take the diagram. 3 rows, 4 columns. 4 columns. I will take 4 columns. Tell me now, 3 rows, 4 columns. 3 rows, 4 columns. What is the k value actually? Minus 1. Still, if you don't want to represent this k is equal to, you see that, because basic level I will speak first. 1 minute. 1 minute. First listen my explanation. This is called what? 3 rows, 4 columns. 4 columns. Now this is called what? 3, 4. Which matrix I is doing? Preparing unit matrix only. What it is starting with? 3, 4 means what? 12. What is the possibility unit matrix I can prepare? Babu, Chapal Tandraga. 12. 12 means what? 3 into 3 only I can prepare. 4 into 4 I cannot prepare because 16 elements not there. 9. Prepare. 1, 0, 0. Other 0 is there. Other 0 you don't write. Wait. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Other elements will be filled with 0 or not? That means in this 3, 4, 3, 4, these elements are prepared what matrix? And the remaining elements filled with what? So principal diagonal is pointing to what? 0. K is equal to 0 is pointing. Let us print this once and see this now. Just notice this. Is it called unit matrix or not? This is filled with what? 0. Catching? Next, same thing. I matrix is also used for preparing unit matrix only. Identity matrix only, but it is having flexibility. What is next? 4, 3 you say. 4, 3 you say. 4, 3. Last and final. Coming to next, I'll go to bigger one. Next, what is this? How many rows? 4 rows. How many columns? 3 columns. Prepare what? Unit matrix. What is the k value by default? 0. Come on, students. 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0, 1. 3 by 3 over. Remaining them. That's all. Remaining them are what? 0. Actually, this is a rectangle matrix, but it is taking only unit matrix position in that. Square matrix only take. Now print this now. You see this portion, you observe it. What is this is called? Unit. Remaining one is what? Zeros. Did you understand? Now what is this? Okay, what is this principal diagonal by default? 0. This is 1, 2. And what is this is called? -1, -2, -3. Can I move forward? Now I am writing same to same, same to same. Here I am writing k is equal to what? -1 I am writing. What is the meaning of -1, my dear students? You take it. How many rows, ma? 4 rows. How many columns, students? 3 columns. Now what is my k is equal to 1 says? -1, -2, -3. Right or not? This is indicating what? 0. 1, of course, 1 and then 2. This 0 indicating this is, and this one is pointed as 0 only. And this is 1, 2. This is called what? -1, -2, -3. Tell me, matrix is preparing from where? -1 onwards. What is this -1? Start with this red mark. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Above things are filled with what? That's all. Did you understand? So it is little, my dear students. Observe it, my dear students. This is known as what? This is the one. Unit matrix prepared below 1 or not? Now, last and final. I will show you. Observe these points. I will write what? 1 I will write it. 1. Above the principal diagonal it is preparing. Last and final. What is this now? How many? How many? This is called what? 0 related, -1, -2, -3. Understand? Next is called what? 1, 2. And the 0 is also taken. What is this now? That you are already having that. Now I am going to give you like this. I will mention it. Rows related, and next is what? Column related. So what? Where is the position is started with? This indication is what? 0 or not? This is 1 and then 2. This is what? -1, -2, -3. Our unit matrix started preparing from where? 1. Tell me. 1, 0, 0, 1. Remaining please. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And these things are containing. This is the matrix prepared or not? Other things are also there. It is going to be containing like this. Did you understand? Fine. Execute that and see this what is happening. See this what is happening. See this carefully, student. Is this is called 1 or not? This is called k is equal to what? 1. Last and final. Quickly I will say. Quickly I will say. 2 I will write it. 2 means what? Last one is containing what? 1. There is no unit matrix available. Directly only 1 is there. I hope you are following. Let's start. Let's start. I am taking 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 directly. See that. 10, 10, 10 rows, 10 columns. See that one. Principal diagonal is there or not? Next. This part I am going to take up. This part I am going to take up. What is my k is equal to? -1. K is equal to what? -1. -1 means just coming below or not? As printed. See that it is coming down. Below this, coming down. And all the above things is becoming 0 or not? This entire thing is becoming 0. Are you understanding this? Now, all of a sudden I will take it. Last and final. 3 and -1. This is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7 వచ్చేస్తాను direct గా. -7. See this. -7. You see, my dear students, -7. Are you filing this? And remaining all of them are what? Zeros. Wherever I like it, I can prepare like this. All of a sudden, +7 I will take it. +7. See the position, what is changing. Is it prepared here or not? Right. Remaining all of them are what? 0. This is nothing but what? I function. So I function is what? It's a little flexible for identity function. What is the syntax? np.I of n comma k is equal to 0 comma d type. That is important. That also I'll send you separate explanation for I function also I will give you. Did you understand? Yes. Now I will move forward. Now I will move forward. Yellow t-shirt. Please, my dear student, listen. So, yellow t-shirt. Are you listening? Not listening, na? Not listening. Why? Please listen, ma. So now I will go to next function is H stack and V stack also I will tell you. H stack and V stack. Now I will go to H stack and V stack also I will go for it. What is H stack and V stack? Simple, students. A is equal to np dot array of, directly I am taking, see students, 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, 40. Simple example. Proceed. In nested list, I need to take it. Nested list. Yeah. Nested list, I will take it. A you say. Is it one matrix or not? Yes. Next, C students. I will take one more matrix, student. One more matrix also I want to take it. Equal to, B is equal to, I am taking something like, 9, 1, something like 2, something 3, something 4. Write B. B matrix also I am taking. Tell me, I want to add, this is my matrix A. This is my matrix A. I want to go for horizontal stacking. Do you know stacking? It is nothing but preserving one after the other. Stacking means what? Today you earn 50,000, tomorrow 50,000. You will add 50,000, next 50,000 adjacent or not? That is called what? Stacking. Horizontal stacking, vertical stacking is there. Horizontal stacking means 10, 20, watch ma once, 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I am expecting 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is known as which mechanism? H stack we can call. Which is mechanism? Suppose if you do 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is known as which stacking? V stack we can call. It is also frequently asked question. Andulo em ledu. Nothing is there inside. If they ask I question, then there is something I is required. This is blind question. No I is required for this. Nothing is there. What is there? But there is one rule is required for H stack and V stack. In this case, what is this? I can go for H stack as well as V stack. I can go for it. Look at that. HS is equal to NP dot H stack, NP dot H stack of A comma B. I am going to take A comma B. A comma B. See students, don't write. You observe my example. NP dot H stack of A comma B. Don't write. No. NP dot H stack of you need to write in the tuple format. This is what I am writing. If you write like that, you will get error. H stack does not exist into NP module. Print HS, comma what? Type of HS. See that? Horizontally stacked or not? Horizontally stacked. Which object? End array. My dear students, when I am stacking horizontally, which one I am going to stacking horizontally? B matrix I am horizontally stacking with what? A. When you are stacking with horizontal, it should satisfy number of rows must be equal. Number of rows must be equal. How many rows A contains? 2 rows. How many rows must be there in B also? So that must be satisfied. If it having 3 rows, not possible to do it because it will become unequal length. Na? That's why not possible. Can I have any number of columns also? No problem, student. You please, my dear students, you look into one more mechanism. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 3, 5, 6, 3, 4, 6 I am having. B you print it. A you print it. Now you do that. HS1 is equal to NP dot, what is this now? H stack of A comma B. No problem. You see, HS1 you printed. HS1 you printed. See, rows are same. Columns may be any number you can write. So I will write it. HS1 comma type of what, students? HS1. Am I getting or not? 10, 20, 1, 2, 5, 3, 4, 4. Is it horizontally stacked or not? What is the prerequisite? What must be satisfied? Rows must be satisfied. I don't mind with the columns. Rows are same. Is it horizontally stacked or not? Next. Understand? Vertically stacked. It's very simple. Nothing is difficult. A and then one B I will carry, student. One B I will carry. What is my B? I'll carry this B value here. I'll carry my B value here. Yes, B is there. Want to go for vertical stack. Here also what? When I'm going for a vertical stack, what must be matched? Columns. You have any number of rows, no problem. It is easily understandable. VS1 is equal to NP dot. Come on, students. V stack of, say students, A comma B. A comma B. Sorry. I need to use what? Tuple brace. Tuple brace. You say here, print of what? VS1 comma type of VS1. Type of VS1. Type of VS1. Am I getting vertically stacked or not? You take it one more time, A. One more time, B you take it. One more time B I am going to take it. What is the B I am taking? What is the B I am taking? I will take one more thing. What I am going to take? Any number of rows I can take it. But here columns must be same. How many columns here? 2. How many columns? 2. Here I am writing 5, 6. Next I am going to take it 7, 8 I am taking. Okay, issue. Number of columns are same as previous A. Now I am going to take B. Now today I will add this 10, 20. I will add at the end of what? B. Getting students? Come on now. Come on students. VS2 is equal to NP dot V stack of B comma A. B comma A. B comma A. All of you should say, when one student is saying, all of them looking at that side, who is saying, don't discourage. You should appreciate. It's natural style of Indian students. When somebody is saying, now they will see who is speaking. When we are maintaining, how dare you are speaking like that. Let her speak. You also speak if you are talented. Because you are coming to the class to speak, not for meditation. Correct? Yes, also not clearly saying. Print of what? VS2. VS2. Is it vertically stacked or not? Yes. So, coming to the point of it, are you able to get it? So, VS2 is also which type? Type of VS2. Type of VS2. Which type? End array. So, tell me. So, having here, V Srinu is asking, by using I function, can we insert unit matrix in any matrix having different elements? It's not possible, my dear student. It's not possible. You can go for H stack and V stack, you may use it. What is the asking? What is my student is asking is, V Srinu is asking, look at students. This is my matrix. VS2 is containing one ND array or not? I am creating IM is equal to NP dot I. My dear student, V Srinu. I am taking here 2, 2, 2, I am writing 2, 2. What is this now? D type is equal to what? Int. Say, what is happening? So, NP dot, what is the I function syntax? What is the I function syntax? 10, 10, K is equal to, now I will write it. 2, 2, D type is equal to, see that, IM you print it. IM. Then this is IM 1010 or not? That I want to put it into where? In VS2. How you can place it? VS2 or NP. VS3 is equal to NP dot, what is that now? V stack. Can I go for H stack? No. H stack I cannot go. Why? Rows are different. Okay. So V stack of, what is this? Come on. VS1, VS2, IM. So print of what? VS3. Is it coming or not? Coming. If you want, here you cannot insert the elements in this level. In the matrix you cannot insert. This entire thing is under what? What is this dimension now? VS3 dot what? Ndim. It is a 2 dimension. VS3 dot what? Shape. What is the shape of it? V Srinu. So, shape. VS3 this is. VS3 dot. So, I got 8, 2. 8, 2 means how many elements? So, 16 elements totally. I can say, I am changing my total dimension, student. VS3 dot shape is equal to, I am writing 16, I am writing 16, that means one dimensional I am changing. So, print VS3, it is going to come like this. Observe it. If you want, place my elements of this one in the middle of it. I will tell you in my index also how to insert the data, how to delete the data, how to modify the data I said. I will tell you that. Srinu, I hope you are catching me. So I can keep this data in the middle of it. Later I can reshape it. We Srinu, did you understand, my dear student? Yes. So in further, that is very simple. Append function, insert function, some concept is there. There I will explain to you. Definitely I'll keep that. Okay, na? Understand this doubt? So Srinu doubt is also very good and you need to take it. One is by using what? V stack, H stack, and you can convert into this single dimensional. There I can insert my elements wherever I like it. Because in inner list concept we already discussed. Inserting an element into which place? Certain inner list, and inner list elements can be converted into ND array, and I can go for reshaping it. I can do it, that part. So with this, we understand the concept of what? So there I said to you, finally, once I set and all those parts are completed, and with this identity matrix also there, I function is also there, that I will give you. H stack and V stack functions are also there, that also I will upload it. So here H stack, V stack, I function I did not write. I'll send you separate explanation for you. So with this, what did you understand? We created number of approaches to create an object of ND array. Online students, can you confirm this concept is understandable? Now I will move to the further. Very, very most important concept I am going to enter. Yes, ma? Vamshi, Blessy. So can we perform some all those things? So in my index, arithmetic operations are there or not? I'll explain now. Yesterday, first day only I said sum of two matrices I said no. So I will tell you. So Melrose Dixon, not clear at all. Okay, fine. So Dixon, you are present in all the days. Fine. So coming to the point back, next concept I would like to move further. So I will go to further discussion now. What is the next concept? After creating this object, we are going to enter into next concept. What is the next concept here I am entering? Indexing and slicing concept I am going to introduce. Next concept is indexing and slicing on which object? ND array. So you must read, you must practice, then only it will be clear. Not reading, not practicing, it will not be clear. And it is not a difficult at all. It's very simple. Now I'm going to start with next topic, indexing and slicing. That too, first we will start with basic indexing and slicing. So only one student said that, Melrose Dixon said not at all clear, but other students said that crystal clear, and we can, all of them are saying that clear. Only one student said that Melrose Dixon not clear. So offline students clear? Yes. Now I am going to move to further. Indexing I am going to discuss. Do you know indexing? What is the meaning of it? Come on, basic indexing is very simple. Let's go for that. Create an object. Create an object. Right, mom? Parveen, not clear for you. Okay. So practice it, read my notes, because I am not going to repeat the total thing at once, because I enter into a very serious discussion. It's not possible to discuss. Now I will go to, once you are not practicing, not attending classes properly, definitely it is not clear. There is no doubt in that. And don't feel it, because repeating again same thing is not possible. So I am going to enter into A is equal to NP dot array of I am saying 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. This is my given data. Now I am saying print of A comma type of A. Type of A I am going to say. This is my given data of this one. How do you get the indexing? And it is not at all difficult. It's very simple. And my interest is not to tell indexing and slicing now, because already indexing and slicing is done. Is to do what? Advanced indexing I want to go for. You can see the stars in today. Stars you can see. Advanced indexing, I am going to say. Advanced slicing, I am going to say. Conditional based selection, I want to say. Right. Even 1 or 2 students understand, that is I am success. Okay now? Because we almost come to 85% stage. Now, indexing, getting one element at a time. How do you get it? A of 0. What is the value of A of 0? 10. Done. Next, what is the value of A of -1? Quickly. Minus 1 is 18. So, should not get it out. 0, 1, 2, 3, so on like this. -1, -2 like this also you can go for it. That is nothing but indexing and slicing. This is called which indexing and slicing? 1D indexing and 1D slicing I am going to say. 1D indexing I am going to say. Got it. Next, A of 0:4. What is this is called? Slicing. What is the answer? Answer 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the answer now? 4 minus 1 means what? This one. I want to get this data. 0 to, what are the values here? 10, 20, 30, 40. Answer is what? What is this answer is called? You slicing. Now I am going to say A of ::2. Step value. What is the answer is now? Like this you will get it. So this is on a value you are going to get it. Are you able to get it? Is it already known to you? Next, A of ::(-1). Reverse. Following? Getting. Reverse. This is already done. I'm showing first names, serial names. Next, entering into this what? 1D array indexing and slicing. What is the syntax here? 1D array index. What is the syntax here? ND array object of ND array obj of what I am writing name now index. Right or not? Next, coming to 2D array index, I am going to enter 2D array index. Let me first finish the indexing of first indexing mechanism. Let me complete 1D array index, ND array object of index. 2D array index contains what? 2D array first of all what? Rows, columns. Rows, columns is comes under what? 2 dimensions. Go to that. Listen carefully. And then Parveen, both of you concentrate. Ma, yeah. How many elements I am having here? 8 elements are there. 8 elements means how many possibilities are there to arrange? 4, 2, 2, 4. Right? Let me add one more element to that so that you can get good example on it. Let me add one more element. You can go for it, but beginning confused means I'll go for it. Yeah. How many elements are there? 9 elements are there. 9 elements are there. Now, what is this dimension? A dot ndim. A dot ndim. What is the dimension? 1. A dot shape is equal to, I am going to convert into what? 3, 3. 3, 3. Print A. What is this now? 2D. What is the dimension? A dot ndim. 2. Melrose and Parveen. At least I should say now. From this concept onwards, both of you are my students now. Melrose and Parveen. Because you said not clear. So I'm leaving other students. Only you people are important for me now. Can you respond once? Melrose, Parveen. Now, Both of you answer me. Other students, I'm not taking into my context. They are in my network because both of them are my students now. Now, listen. What is the dimension here? Why 2 dimension? Rows and then columns. 1 row, 1 column. 1 plus 1 is called 2. That's why dimension is called 2. Okay. Students, both of you. Here, first row is indicated as 0. Second row indicated as 1. Third row indicated as 2. What is this 0, 1, 2? 0, 1, 2 called what? Rows. Melrose, Parvin. 0, 1, 2 are called columns. Okay. What is an object pointing to that? A is pointing. Now I want to get that 50. 50. 50 is there in which row? First row. And column is what? 1. A of 1, 1 will give you what? 50. 50. Shall I write it? So, Parvin and Melrose. 1, 1 is equal to what? 50. What is this is called? 2D indexing. Spell out. Indexing. You can also write as what? A of 1 and then 1. Like this also you can write it. What is the answer? 50. Srinivas Reddy. Not write A of 1, 1. That is wrong. Why? Because A of, if you write it, it is treated as a function name. Srinivas Reddy. It is called a function name. Are we using that braces in indexing? No. So, my dear students, Parvin, Melrose, am I clear? When I'm saying this one, you need to be keep your hands on the keyboard, both of you. Are you following me? Okay. Yes or no? Are you understanding? Yes. Now I will go to, once again, A I will print. So Parveen and Melrose has to say now, I want to print. Melrose and Parveen has to answer my question. Listen, both of you. You go and sit in the back. Or you sit here. Or go and sit in the back. Go there. Front up. Back up. Sit. You need to see board now. That's why sit in the back. Okay, is it visible now? Or you want to sit here? Is it okay? Because both of you are talking, I am getting disturbance. When Sachin Tendulkar is playing 6, floodlight getting problem. Right, see that. Now, don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. Melrose and Parvin, I want to get this 20. Both of you say 0th row, first row, second row. 0th column, first column, second column. Both of you question. I want 20. Answer my question. Answer my question. Both of you I should see. Waiting for your answer. Waiting for answer. Answer, Melrose. Waiting for your answer. So if you say, sir, I did not clear at all, you said. That's why I'm feeling little inconvenient. So what is the question now? How to get 20? How to get 20? It is my question. Q. Well, you did not say the answer. So now I'll continue. So everybody said, but they did not say. Now I cannot stop. Can I continue now? Yes. Come on now. Answer my question. 0, 1. 0, 1. 20. Okay now. Now I want to get 90. 90, 90. A of 2, 2. 2, 2. Clear? I want to get 70. A of 2, 0. Done. So I gave an ample of time to them, but they did not utilize my services. So whether my signal is poor or their signal is poor, I don't know. Right. Vamsi, I'm coming to that. See, now I'm coming to negative indexing. Negative indexing. Shall I? Yes. No complicated. This is what. It's a left hand, left wing. Complicated is coming. HD cinema will come. Look at. See, my dear students, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Next term, -1, -2, -3. -1, -2, -3. Why I am going for a beginning negative indexing, positive indexing only, not at all clear. Negative indexing, like that. So, coming to the point of it. Now tell me 60. A of -2, comma. Easy or difficult? Yes. So, something projection is important. So, I'm going to say 60 I want, same. Vamsi, you same A of -2, comma, -1. What is the answer? 60. Already we know this. Yes. Shall I move forward? Yes. This is called what? 2D indexing. What is the 2D indexing syntax? ND array of what? Row index, comma, column index. Column index. The row index and column index can be either positive or negative. Okay. Or ND array of row index, comma what? Column index. Are you following me? Either I can write, okay, I can write separate like this. Separate like this I can write. I can write like this also, students. Are you able to follow? Yes. Last and final. I am asking A of -2, -2, comma 1 I am writing. Answer please. Huh? Yes, 50. Positive and negative. Mixing both of them. But only one thing my heart is pinching is Melrose did not understand and Parvin did not understand. That's heart is pinching. So I'm little sensitive because every student of mine should understand. That is what my target. Everybody is understanding, okay, but they also need to understand. That is my point. Okay. Parvin, okay, ma. Shall I move forward? Melrose. So if you say, then I'll move forward. Because other students may get bored because they are understanding, but they are important. So Parvin and Melrose, now I am going to enter into next part is called what? ND. ND array I am going to take it. ND array index I am going to take. It is only indexing. After that what? Slicing. Tell me. I am going to take it. ND array of. Melrose, you are getting now? Okay, good. Now, ND array of 3. ND means what? 3. 3 means 3 boxes, na? First box, matrix number. Second box, row index. Third box, that's all. First box, matrix number. Second box, row index. Third box, that's all. Row index, column index can be positive or negative. Matrix number also positive or negative. Okay, come to the point. I say matrix index, and next is what? Row index. Next is what? Column index. Simple. Go to that. How many elements I will take now? Take it. That elements I will take it, students. Of course, this is easy, quite easy. Coming to the point, comma, 15, comma, 25, comma, 45. Now I am writing this. Total elements are how many? 12. A dot shape is equal to 2, comma, 3, comma, 3, comma, total 12 na? 2, comma, 3, comma, 2. Okay. Now say A. Now see, students, this is my matrix. How many matrices? Okay. What is this matrix number? Okay. What is this matrix number? What is this row number? What is this? 1. What is this? 2. What is this matrix column? What is this? What is this number? 0, 1, 2, 0, 1. This is what positive matrices. Positive. Negative is also there. -1, -2, -1, -2, -3, -1, -2, -1, -2, -3, -1, -2. When such things are given, you need to take like this. Then you can write whatever you like it. Now answer my question. A of 0, 0, 0. What is my answer? PVM goes to which matrix? 0th matrix. In that 0th row, 0th column, 0th matrix, 0th row, 0th column, that is 10. Easy. A of -2, comma, -3, comma, -2. Answer. Same. Same answer as previous only. -2 is nothing but this one. -3 is nothing but what? -3, 0. And -2 is also called 0. Are you following? Yes. Come on to the point of it. A of 0, 0, 0. A of what? -2, comma, -3, comma, what? -2. Easy. Easy or difficult? A of -1, comma, -3, comma, -2. Come on. That's all. Online students. Online students. Now I am saying A of -2, -1, comma, -1, comma, -2, comma, -1. Come on. Answer, please. Are you sure? Sure. 50 or 15? Oh, so first of all, what is this? If clarity is not -1, -2, -1, -2, -3, -1, -2. What is the -1 means? It will come to this place. -2 means this place. And -1 means this one. What is the answer, please? Yes. 15. Understand? Yes. What is the base for this? Our previous indexing and slicing. STR level indexing and that one. Understand? Well, this is about what? This is about what? Indexing. Now it is going to come Bahubali 3. So, most powerful concept, slicing I am going to take. Slicing operation I am going to take. What is slicing operation? Obtain range of values, obtaining range of values from where ND array object is called what? Slicing. Already told you slicing in our basic traditional Python programming. Now, slicing operation on ND array is very, very important, which is most important. When you are facing any questions in Python, especially when you are going for data science or data engineer in AI level, NumPy lot of questions they will ask. SciPy, Scikit, they won't ask because they themselves will not have much clarity. Because these days people are learning NumPy in deep, right or not? So we need to learn deep of them. Then we need to learn it so that we can override them. We can dominate them. Now I'm going to explain. Shall I? Yes. So please, my dear students, carefully concentrate. Once you catch, you will answer like anything. Once you don't catch, lifelong that problem will be going on coming. So take care. Now I'm going to say, everybody concentrate. Here also what is coming? 1D array slicing will come, which is very easy. 1D array slicing will come. 2D array slicing, your story starts from there. 2D array slicing, HD cinema will start from here. 1D array slicing, which is very easy. Take A, you print it. What is this A? What is this dimension? A dot endim. A dot endim. What is this now? 3. What is the shape? 12. 12 or not? I will say A dot shape is equal to 12 comma I am writing. 12 comma. Print A. Flatten. I am flattening my ND array. Flattening means what? In one simple row I set. Okay. Now I want to print 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 only. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, etc. I want to get it what? 0 to 5. So I will write what? A colon what? 5 I am saying. This is nothing but what? 0 to what? 5 minus 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 will come or not? This is already we discussed it. A of 0 colon 5. A of 0 colon 5. Answer is that or not? I want to get the data from this values. I want to get it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What I want to get it, ma? 3 to 8. 3 to 8. Easy. 3 to 8 I am writing, which is called what? Like this. Easy? Yes. Now this is looking like what? A of ND array object of start colon what? Stop. But actually what is also there? Step is also there or not? Now, what is the default step here? 1. 1, 1. Default step is 1. Okay. Now I am going to say, take up students once again. I want to use negative slicing also. Negative slicing. Later I will go for the step mechanism. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, and -8, -9, -10, -11, -12. Now I am writing A of -12 colon. I am writing. What is the answer? Answer please. 12. 12 not there, na? Yes. Now I will say what? A of -12 colon. It is going to give you what? Complete elements. 12 I wrote it. 12. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. After 12, nothing is there. That's why what is coming? Empty. -12. -12 already recognized, -1, -2 like that. Are you following me? Well, A of -12 colon -3. You know that -12 is this one, correct? -1, -2, -3. -12 to -3 is my statement. -12 to -3 -1, which is nothing but what? -4. What is an answer now? Is it an answer or not? Yes. So, see students, getting or not? Online students. Are you okay, students? Well, can I go to steps? Step. So getting now A of 0:6:2, 0:6:2, 0:6:2. First of all, 0 to 6, 0 to 6, 0 to 6 minus 1, 5. What is the answer is coming? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. What is the step now? 2, and then like this, it will come or not? So it will take up to where? This values only will come. What are the values are coming now? Right. Easy? Yes. A of colon 3. Colon means what? Total. 3 means what? 3 steps. 3 steps. What is an answer? 10, 40, 40, 70. That's all. So 10, 40, 10, 40, 70. One minute, ma. 1 minute, student. First, let me print that because I did not take up that. I will take this. Don't get confused by seeing that output. Yes, this is an output. Come on now. 3, 3 now. What is that now? 40, 70, 15. After that, nothing is there. That's why it is taking these elements only. Because what is the step here? 3. Did you understand? A of colon minus 2. When step value is negative, already rules and regulations. What is coming? Come on. 45, 15. Come on. 80, 60, 40, 20. Easy. Understand, students? Yes, this is called what? It is called what? 1D array slicing. What is the syntax? ND array of begin colon end colon what? Step. That is the syntax of what? 1D. Now I am fearing a lot whether you will get this or not. Now I am going to enter into. Come on. Vamsi is saying tomorrow. So Vamsi tired so far. So now I am going to say today only. Now 2D array slicing, you observe it. Just I will repeat tomorrow also, but today I will try to introduce whether you will catch me or not. Students, don't grant that sir will explain. Please concentrate on it. So Srinivas Reddy, please explain tomorrow. Okay. Such a simple example, if you say tomorrow, day after tomorrow, like that. Okay, let it be just to see my small point, students. Let us start. Just look at. Today only, yeah? Okay. Now, A dot shape is equal to, I'll do that. What is the answer now? How many elements? 4, 3. 4, 3. A of. Okay. Now look at. I want to get it. First listen very carefully. I want to get it. What is the indication here? 0, 1, 2, 3. What is this is called? 0, 1, 2. This is called what? 2D slicing. Later, ND slicing. 2D slicing is very danger. ND slicing is ever danger. So first this one. It's nothing is there. Come on to the point. What is the A is pointing here? I want to get this first row. 0th row I want to get it. I will tell you simple way. Look at A of, just to say 0. A of 0. What is that first index? Row index. It will give you what? Complete row will be given. My dear students, please look at that. A of 0 will give you what? 10, 20, 30. 30. Now I am saying A of 0. What is the answer? 10, 20, 30. Okay, na? A of 1 will give you what? 40, 50, 60. Slowly I will give you. A of 2 will give you what? 70, 80, 90. A of 3 will give you what? 15, 25, 45. Comfortable? Now, let me, don't get tension. Now, I want to get it. I want to get it. Actually, I am saying so much of deep now. I want to get these elements. I want to get what elements? I want to get 10, 30, 70, 90. I want to get whatever I like it. Beginning, I am not going to that much depth. Slowly, I will start. So, coming to the point of it. So, Melrose is saying, so, okay. Melrose is saying, okay. Melrose is also getting Telugu word also. Very nice. So, coming to that, yes. Coming to the point of it. Now I am going to say, don't try to read that, read the subject. Now, I want to get it. This column I want to get it. This column I want to get it. Column is also slicing values or not? You cannot write what? A of 0. When you write A of 0, what will come? What will come? First row will come. How do you get this column now? 0th column, first column, second column. 0th row, first row, second row, third row. I want to get only first column. So, look at what I need to write. A of, you need to write which, how many rows? All rows. Silence. I will tell you. I want to get it what? All rows. All rows means what? Colon, colon. Colon, colon. Colon, colon means what? First part is called what? Rows. Next one is what? What I am writing? 0. Colon, 1 I will write it. How many rows? Brain as 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2. How many rows? A of 0 colon 4, comma. 0 colon 4 means row. Next is called what? Column. How many columns? 1 column. What is that column index? 0. 0 colon what? 1. That's all. 0 to 4 means what? 0 to 4 minus 1. 0 to 3 means all rows. 0 to 1 means what? 0 to 1 minus 1. 0th column. Are you okay? So, I say A of. So, come on to the point of it. Come on to the point of it. Now I am going to say this message now. Go to the point back. So here, I'll go for this. Go to this place. Here I am going to say, students in the online, try to understand students. Now I am going to write it. 0 colon 4, comma, 0 colon 1. 0 colon 1. See the answer now. Is it column is coming or not? Yes. So, Swami, okay. Now, coming to the point back. Now I am going to continue this. Right. Follow me. Now, once again, actually, this is little difficult, but if I don't tell, these questions will come in interviews. Once again, I will repeat. No problem, students. Tomorrow, I will explain this, but I want to make you to understand today. Once again, I will take it. Look at students once again, ND array of what? This one row. What is this? Column. Okay now? ND array. In the row, what will be there? Which starting row, which ending row? That is nothing but what? Starting and then what? Stopping and step. For what? Row. Columns, column starting, column stopping, column step. Columns. If girls are looking like that, I can't do anything. This is called row starting, row stopping, and row step. Column start, column stop, column step. Now, getting into this, A of, first what? Rows. How many rows? All rows. All rows means starting from where? Okay. Next ending with what? Okay. Comma. What is this 0:4? You tell me. 0 to 4 minus 1. That is for what? Rows. Go to next what, students? Column. Columns. How many columns are there? Which column you want? 0th column. What is the slicing mechanism? Begin to ending na. Come on. 0:1. Why 1 I am writing? 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 means only 0th column. Did you understand? Yes. Print that. Getting or not? Now, one more time. In other way. A of colon, comma, colon, no beginning row, no ending row. That means all rows. Which up to which column? Up to which column? 0th column only. Colon 1. Colon 1 means which beginning I did not specify. What is the beginning column? 0. Ending 0 to 1. 0. Answer please. Same. That is subject. Are you following? Like that I will tell. Like that I will tell. I want 10. I want 15. I want 30. I want 45. I want to say like that. For that, just one small example I will show you. A of colon 4, comma, colon 2 I will say. See the answer now. What is coming now? 1030, and then this values we will be getting. So I will say 3 here. 3 I will write it. Answer is coming like this. And you don't try to understand, students. I will explain in the next class. See what is coming here. 10, 15, 30, 45. Corner elements I want to get it. That is called subject. So if these questions are compulsory coming in written test, data scientist means not, scientist name is coming not by coming in Amirpet and learning, coming because of intelligence. Right or not? So coming to the point of it, don't worry about it. This thing I will explain in tomorrow. This I am not going to upload it. I will upload in tomorrow. I will discuss and I will upload. So first 1 hour I will discuss. Next 1 hour conditional based selection, filtering the elements, I will explain tomorrow. And that too Saturday. Stop all the plans and come to the class. Okay, students. Thank you, students. Online students, I hope you are following me. So tomorrow class will continue these examples. Don't miss the class, students. Right. Tomorrow. Story no, tomorrow. So take care, students.